Yaate! Hello everybody, this is Bailey Kleckner, also known as Clawing Turtle Arts, and Charlie Frybread on both Instagram and TikTok. As some of you may know, I have Onondaga Turtle Clan ancestry, and sometimes you have to get a little creative when it comes to making powwow gear, such as these 100% synthetic mink ties. These are hair ties often worn for powwows. They go on the braids, and they go all the way down like this. Because I am very focused on the environment, and I don't really trust most people who sell fur pelts, I don't know how the animal was killed, so I'm not going to use it. If it passed away peacefully, that's when I would be okay with using it. I decided that I would get fur myself. This fur is from Hobby Lobby, and these were strips that I folded and then sewn up. And also, I have these sunflower accessories that go on the top of the ties, somewhere about here. I also have some support string that ties around, along with these clips that go behind the mink tie on the bottom of the braid, and then catch both the bottom of the braid and the tie so that they're together. I will be making these removable with safety pins on the back of each, and I will also be adding these very unique buttons made from shells as a little accessory here. It just gives some visual depth. These buttons are from my great-grandma Ellen. You may be wondering what I am preparing for, and of course there are powwows, but I am also doing a photo shoot for my birthday. My birthday is November 25th, which is the International Day of Women's Domestic Abuse. Because of my Native American heritage, I am also very much aware that 80% of Indigenous women experience domestic violence and sexual abuse in some form or way. There is also the No More Stolen Sisters movement, and I may look a certain way. I'm aware. I'm very aware. But I am taking my heritage and my identity back. What I look like is a result of colonization. I am decolonizing. So, stay tuned, because I will have a photo shoot with these on, along with one more thing I want to show you. This is my favorite ribbon skirt that I got just recently. The deep blue color is my favorite, one of my favorite colors, and it's very feminine and beautiful. Ribbon skirts are also Native American. Jasmine also reached out to ask for my specific measurements and preferences, which just makes it all the better. It's worth it. Happy Native American Heritage Month, and I will see you on a photo shoot where I get to use more of my artistic creativity.